Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to reset system settings on the following device. So starting with your home screen, select the settings, then scroll down and tap on additional settings. And here pick the very last icon, which is backup and reset. And now tap on factory data reset. And finally select reset system settings, the first icon. Now you have to enter your PIN code, and to confirm it, tap on Reset System Settings. Tap on it one more time. You just have to be aware that this action cannot be undone, so if you are truly sure, just tap on Reset System Settings one more time. Now give your device a few seconds, and that's it. System settings reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.